How to make a phone call? What I am saying, you may thinking this. You may think that how to make a phone call. We all know that because we all always make phone calls. We pick up the number and dial it and phone call made. No, I'm not telling about this type of phone call. I'm telling about another type of phone call. You know what's that? Yes, you know. I am telling about how to ask people to talk with someone. So don't waste time and let's start our today's lesson. Today's teaching method will be something different. At first, I will tell you the structures and then I will give you the examples through a dialogue. Yes, we will learn today through dialogue. So let's start. First structure. Can I speak to dash is our first structure. As an example of dialogue, we can say, can I speak to Tom Taylor? And the answer is speaking. Who is it? And I'm saying I'm in teacher. Okay, it's the first structure and example. That's can I speak to? Okay. Next, number two, it's the same, just in the place of can we are using could. So could I speak to? Could I speak to dash? As example, could I speak to Lisa? And the other from the other part of phone, he's saying that who is it? And I'm saying I'm interested. In number three, the structure is can I talk to? Yes, talk to. That was speak to and it is talk to. Okay, and as example we can say can I talk to Nadit? Can I talk to Nadit? And the answer is speaking. Okay, in number four structure we can say that is it Jane there? Is it Jane there? Is the example. That means the structure is it dash there, is it dash there. Okay, so as example I give the name is Jane. Is it Jane there? As example, who is it? This is integer. The example finished. These are the um, structures. It's only I have given four structures. In my next class I will give more. It was very short lesson because today I have my some other work, so I'm making this video so much short, and four structures is enough to ask people to speak with me and you. So I think four structures are enough, and you can use this anywhere. I'm repeating it, the structures again. The first structure is can I speak to? Second, could I speak to? Third, can I talk to? Number four, is there dash there? I think you understand that it's so easy. It's not difficulty, and try this. You can use this when you are talking with anybody. Okay, that is all for today, and see you in the next class.